Welcome to this video on bromine, one of the most important and yet often overlooked elements in the periodic table. Bromine, with the chemical symbol Br and atomic number 35, is a halogen, placing it in the same group as elements like fluorine, chlorine and iodine. It's a reddish-brown liquid at room temperature, which makes it stand out since it's the only non-metallic element that exists in liquid form under normal conditions. Today, we're diving into bromine's properties, its many industrial applications, and why this element plays such an important role in modern technology. Bromine is unique in many ways. It's a highly reactive element, often forming compounds with other elements rather than being found in its pure state. Bromine is extracted from brine pools, which are rich in dissolved salts. The majority of the world's bromine is produced in Israel, the United States, and China, with global production reaching approximately 500,000 metric tons per year. Despite its reactivity, bromine has a wide range of uses across several industries. Applications of bromine. 1. Flame retardants. One of the primary uses of bromine is in the production of flame retardants. Bromine-based compounds are added to plastics, textiles, and electronics to prevent them from catching fire or to slow the spread of flames in the event of a fire. In fact, over 50% of all bromine produced globally is used in flame retardants. These flame retardant chemicals are found in everyday products like televisions, computers, and furniture. They help meet fire safety regulations and reduce the risk of fires spreading in households and offices. 2. Water treatment. Bromine is also widely used in water treatment, particularly in swimming pools and hot tubs. Bromine-based disinfectants are effective at killing bacteria, viruses, and algae, making it an ideal alternative to chlorine in maintaining water cleanliness. Bromine is often preferred in spas and hot tubs because it remains effective at higher temperatures than chlorine. Additionally, bromine is less likely to cause the strong chemical odor associated with chlorine, making it a more pleasant option for users. 3. Pesticides and agriculture. And the agricultural industry, bromine is used to create pesticides and fungicides that protect crops from harmful pests and diseases. Bromine compounds, like methyl bromide, are used as soil fumigants to sterilize the soil before planting, helping to control pests and increase crop yields. While methyl bromide has been phased out in many countries due to environmental concerns, other bromine-based pesticides are still widely used in agriculture to protect food supplies. 4. Pharmaceuticals. Bromine also plays an important role in the pharmaceutical industry. Many sedatives, antihistamines, and anesthetics contain bromine compounds. Bromine is used in the synthesis of brominated organic compounds, which are key intermediates in the production of various drugs. One example is bromovalerilia, which has been used as a sedative in the past. Bromine's ability to form stable compounds with organic molecules makes it essential in the creation of many modern medications. 5. Dyes and chemical manufacturing. One key application of bromine is in the chemical manufacturing industry, where it is used to create dyes, solvents, and other specialty chemicals. Bromine's reactivity allows it to form compounds with a variety of elements, which makes it useful in creating a wide range of industrial chemicals. Bromine compounds are also used in the production of photographic chemicals, hair dyes, and fragrances. Bromine and the environment. While bromine has many useful applications, it also has some environmental risks. Methyl bromide, a bromine-based pesticide, was once widely used in agriculture, but has since been restricted under the Montreal Protocol due to its role in depleting the ozone layer. Fortunately, alternative compounds have been developed to replace methyl bromide, but bromine's impact on the environment is still being studied. It's important to manage the use of bromine responsibly to minimize its environmental impact. Another environmental consideration is bromine's use in flame retardants. Some of the chemicals used in bromine-based flame retardants have been found to persist in the environment and accumulate in living organisms, leading to concerns about their long-term effects on ecosystems. Researchers are working to develop more sustainable and environmentally friendly flame retardants that still provide the same level of fire safety without the negative environmental impact. Bromine chemistry and properties. Let's take a closer look at the chemical properties of bromine. Bromine is part of the halogen group, which means it's highly reactive, especially with metals. It has a melting point of 7.2 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of 58.8 degrees Celsius, making it a liquid at room temperature. Bromine reacts with many elements, including hydrogen, with which it forms hydrogen bromide HBr, a key compound used in many chemical processes. When bromine reacts with metals like sodium or potassium, it forms salts known as bromides. These bromides are used in a variety of industries, including photography, oil drilling, and food preservation. Bromine's ability to form stable compounds with other elements is one of the reasons it's so widely used in industrial chemistry. Global bromine production. As mentioned earlier, the world produces about 500,000 metric tons of bromine annually, with Israel, China, and the United States being the top producers. Bromine is extracted from brine deposits, where it is found in high concentrations. The Dead Sea in Israel is one of the richest sources of bromine in the world, and the bromine industry in this region is a major contributor to the global supply. Bromine is considered a strategic element because of its critical uses in various industries, including defense, agriculture, and electronics. The demand for bromine is expected to continue growing as more countries adopt stricter fire safety regulations and as the global population continues to increase, driving demand for agricultural chemicals and pharmaceuticals. Future potential of bromine. Bromine's potential for future applications is vast. Researchers are exploring new uses for bromine in energy storage, particularly in bromine flow batteries. These batteries could play a significant role in the future of renewable energy by providing large-scale energy storage solutions for solar and wind power. Bromine flow batteries are efficient, scalable, and have the potential to store energy for long periods of time, making them ideal for grid-scale energy storage. Additionally, bromine-based chemicals are being researched for their potential in the field of green chemistry, where the goal is to develop environmentally friendly chemical processes and materials. Bromine's versatility as a chemical building block means that it will likely continue to be a key element in industrial innovation for years to come. Cool facts about bromine. Let's finish up with a few cool facts about bromine. Bromine was discovered in 1826 by French chemist Antoine J.R.M. Ballard, who extracted it from seaweed. Bromine is one of only two elements that are liquid at room temperature, the other being mercury. Despite being highly reactive and somewhat toxic in its pure form, bromine compounds are widely used in the pharmaceutical industry to produce life-saving drugs. The word bromine comes from the Greek word bromos, which means stench, due to its strong, unpleasant odor. Conclusion. Bromine is a fascinating and highly versatile element with applications in a wide range of industries, from flame retardants and water treatment to pharmaceuticals and agriculture. While it presents some environmental challenges, bromine's role in advancing technology and improving safety cannot be understated. As we continue to explore its potential in areas like energy storage and green chemistry, bromine will remain a vital element for the future of innovation. Thanks for watching this video on bromine. If you enjoyed learning about this unique element, Please subscribe for more educational content on chemistry, materials science, and the fascinating world of elements.